Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to connect your Audio Technica turntable to a Bluetooth soundbar, you can definitely go ahead and do so wirelessly or with a wired connection depending on your setup. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it exactly. So first of all, you need to check if your turntable supports Bluetooth output. First of all, you need to turn it on and enable the pairing mode if it has the Bluetooth option available. After that, you need to put your soundbar into the Bluetooth pairing mode as well. After doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just wait until both of the devices establish the connection. Once paired, simply play the record and the audio will stream wirelessly. Now, if your turntable doesn't support the Bluetooth, you can just simply use a wired setup. In it, you need to take an RCA to aux cable and connect it from the turntable to the soundbar. Just make sure that the turntable is set to the line mode. This ensures proper signal output. Now you need to turn on your soundbar and select the correct input source like Bluetooth or aux. Then play the record and confirm the audio is coming through. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.